inventory shortages, but homes offered for sale are not staying on the market long. In fact, even those over $1 million are going under contract quickly, 6 median days. It's Friday, April 29th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis is down to 78 homes for sale right now, well below the normal average, but there are 41 homes coming to the market soon. 23 homes came to the market since last week. 19 homes are temporarily off the market. 44 homes went under contract this past week in 5 median days. 21 moved to pending in 5 median days. 36 went to settlement in just 5 days and at a median $472,500. There are only 21 homes for rent at $2,600 per month. If you are thinking about buying a home, be sure to get our spring home buyer guide at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report for April 29th, 2022. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next week, be well.